Now, this is probably the easiest way you can have access to a US number. Now, as you can see right here on this very Telegram group, I receive message every single minute of a new US number that has been updated on this very Telegram group. Now, this is not just a US number, other countries, US, Canada, Australia, British, right? Every single minute, I have a notification on my phone that a new number is being dropped, right? Of which I can use to verify or sign up any account. Right now, this is probably the easiest and the most free way you can have access to a US account. And the first thing you have to do is to download this app called Temporary Number. Now, this is only available on Play Store, right? If you're using an iPhone, you can't really download this app on your phone, but nevertheless, you can access this very app through their website, right? I'll be dropping the link for those who are using an iPhone to access the website on the description also in this video. You will see that in the second link in the description to access the website, right? And this is accessible if you're using an Android phone also. The most interesting part is their Telegram group, right? Because right then in the Telegram group, you receive notification if any number is dropped, right? That means any number just dropped right now, you are going to be the first person to know that a new number just dropped, and you can easily access this number right here on their platform. I'll take you to my phone, right, showing you how you can download this app and how you can access this number through their app, through their website using an iPhone. This is going to be a two-way video and it's going to be very short and precise. I'm just going to walk you through on how you can access this number. So let's jump into this video right now. The first thing you have to do is to come to your Play Store, search for Temporary Number, and you're going to be accessing this very number right here, which is called Temporary Number, second phone number. Install this very app. That's if you're using an Android phone. Then click on Open to access this very app. As you can see, Temporary Number eSIM. Now, this is how the app look like, and this is everything you need to know about this app. Now, even if you don't create an account with this app, you can easily access a phone number with this app. First thing they will ask you to do is to join their Telegram group, of which is very important. Click on join. The reason they're not asking me to join because I already have an account with them. Click on join, and you're going to be landing in that Telegram group, of which you are going to be receive every update you need on a new number. Now, you can easily accept public number by clicking on this public number right here. Then they're going to ask you to select a country of your choice, right? Click on US, Canada, let's go Canada right here, or UK. They have different countries, Poland, they are diverse country right there. Now you can easily have access to numbers you can explore. These are numerous number right here you can access right now for Canada. Click on any number of your choice and you will have access to a fresh number, copy it, and you can use this number to verify any account of your choice. And these are other people using this app to verify their account. These are messages on this very app right now, right? This is how you can really access a free USA number from this app if you're using an Android phone, right? Now, if you want a private number, which is a permanent number that is only accessible to you, click on private numbers and you can easily get a number for as low as $1.99 from this very app. So let's go over to our iPhone as I show you how you can access this very platform from your iPhone. So let's jump right in. If you're using an iOS device, the first thing you have to do is to just join the Telegram group, of which I believe you must have joined right now. And this are all the numbers. You can see pre-release announcement, new numbers are dropping in 5 minutes. And once the number is dropped, you will be alert immediately. As you can see, these are numbers we just dropped right now, of which you'll be the first person to know. It will be on the first hand use because you are the first person to have access to this. Now, these are numerous number right now which has been dropped on this very platform, of which you can easily have access to and you can use to verify your account. Right now, if you want to have access to this very app on your iOS device, come to your browser, right? Just come to your browser right here. Then you are going to type in temp number, right? Temp number right here is going to load up the first link you are seeing right here. That's the logo, right? Same logo as the one of the app, right? Click on the first link right here and it's going to load up. You're going to have access to the platform, of which you are going to have access to different number you can use right here on this very platform. These are different countries: Canada, Poland, Puerto Rico, France, Romania, Estonia, Netherlands. Let's go to US and access a US number right here. It's going to load the ad. We are going to skip this ad right now. Let's skip this ad. As you can see, these are US. Welcome to temporary number. Get your free temporary US number, US phone numbers today. Our numbers are updated daily, right? Perfect for receiving SMS. No sign up required. No, we're going to scroll that right now, right? And these are new numbers. This number was released 3 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 4 hours ago, 7 hours ago. And these are different numerous US number you can have access to. Let me click on the first one, which is released 3 hours ago. I can copy this number right here, go to any app to verify whatever application I want to verify. I'm good to go. Right, as you can see, I can update new SMS. That means once you have used it to verify, you want to receive your SMS, click on update new SMS. It's going to load up and it's going to load up new SMS for you. This was released 37 seconds ago, 41 seconds ago. These are people taking advantage and using this number. If you scroll down, you can see that you can download the app on Google Play Store, of which this platform is available on Google Play Store only, right? But it will be available on the App Store very soon. That means if you're using an iOS device, the app will be available very soon. But for now, it's only available on Play Store. This is the free and the easiest way you can have access to a US number without paying any single dime, right? I believe this video was valuable to you. If it was, like this video, share it to someone, right? If you have not subscribed to this channel, do want to subscribe right now from other awesome content right here on this very channel. If you have any challenge, if you have any issue, if you have any concern, you have any feedback, share them in the comment section. I'll be there to reply to all your comments right there in the comment section. I have a new Telegram community of which I pour my heart to my community right there, right? You can click on the link, the first link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community. I join others who are on their way to making millions online. Now, if you click here right now, I have some videos lined up for you to help you on your online journey. I'll see you right here. Bye for now.